Fans, welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, Kasala don burst, area don scatter between Judy Austin and Lizzy Gold. Hey! Before I give una any details of wetin I hear, make I just first give una one wey Lizzy Gold knack. Lizzy Gold say Judy Austin, he say God punish you there. Lizzy Gold say God punish Juju Ekwensu there. Lizzy Gold say Juju Ekwensu say go and look for work. You are not the first woman when he born 3 children. Mercy Johnson born, she dey work. She born Purity. Purity never big. She don't go back to the industry dey work. And ever since then, she has been working. She go born, she go dey work. If she don't still born finish, she still dey work. You are not the first woman. You don't fair born children before. You don't experience childbirth. No be Yul Edochie be the first man wey you born for. You just born, you just sit down for his house lazy and start causing nuisance on the social media. Hey, whoa, my people, not be smart, you know. Lizzy Gold say Juju Ekwensu dey cause kasala for social media, they misbehave, they do anyhow. He say God punish your head for that, Juju Ekwensu. Hey, whoa, Chineke, this one big go. My people, according to wetin they carry come give us, they say na Judy Austin dey find trouble, not be Lizzy Gold. Judy Austin na dey find trouble. They say Judy Austin dey tell people they go say Lizzy Gold don scatter her marriage. She was living well with Yul Edochie. He and Yul Edochie, their life was going so well. 2 of them, they live in peace. No kasala, no trouble, no fighting. They were dancing, they were enjoying their life. Yul Edochie, they give her everything wey she wants. She was living happily. Even if the thing not big, like as if first they come before, but they were happy. So Judy Austin come dey tell people say na since when Lizzy Gold enter into Yul Edochie life, all in the name of rebrand, now they take scatter her marriage. She said because at this point, her marriage don gbaje, oti gbaje, don scatter. He said her marriage don't finish. She said na rag. He said her marriage be like cloth where they patch. He said na so. He said her marriage be like tear cloth when they patch. She said this whole thing, say na Lizzy Gold na e cause am. She not tell one person, she not tell 2 people, she not tell 3 people. She can't begin to narrate and they go for the whole Nollywood. And una know as Nollywood be. Say Nollywood is worst pass Yaba market. Because if you go Yaba market now, if you go talk, everywhere will carry your matter. But you see Nollywood, hey, better go to Yaba market than to go Nollywood, go tell your secret. So as Judy Austin tell 1, tell 2, tell 3, tell 4, nah, the whole thing don't spread. They come they talk say Lizzy Gold don't scatter Judy Austin marriage. Now some people can't even the verse say wetin Lizzy Gold go even want use Yul Edochie do. Not be only woman be second hand though. Men they still be second hand, but their own not they show identity. Woman now they feel and say, oh, this one don't fair born, this one don't fair get picky, I bet na second hand. But you see men, women know they tell them to their face, but they'll just look there, they'll collect wetin they won't collect, they'll run. They'll say, God forbid, this one wey don't fair get wife, wey don't get children, I know they enter there. Women know they show their own, come aside, give me, say una be second hand. But they run from them. The one wey even enter self, he go want pursue everything when he dey around the man. So now they come begin they talk say wetin Lizzy Gold dey even dey use Yul Edochie wey be second hand take do. Person wey be say me Edochie don enjoy the better thing finish, come carry the rubbish give Judy Austin. Now Lizzy Gold wan still go dey fight for. So this thing just come dey spread. Some people were saying Lizzy Gold is too big for her name to be dragged for all this kind of sensibility. It took her years to build her brand, to build herself. It took her years to create that name, Genge Lizzy Gold. For a person like Yul Edochie to come spoil her. Even if Yul Edochie na put am through, sometimes not be everybody when you uplift you, now you go uplift. So you leave God may fight their battle. So many people come dey talk this word. But be that gege na person for the industry wey be say a lot of people like am pass the so-called Judy Austin. Dem come reach out to Gege say, Gege, wetin dey happen now? See wetin Judy Austin dey talk, dey go. He say you don finally scatter she and Yul Edochie. Say they were living in peace. Say no be because of May Edochie, na Yul Edochie leave am. Say na because of you. They say na there na Lizzy Gold come talk say May Thunder kpai Juju Ekwensu for where she dey. Say Juju Ekwensu dey colometus. Say wetin concern am. Go tell them say wetin concern Judy Austin and Yul Edochie relationship. He said, was there even a relationship? Lizzy Gold said there was never a relationship between Judy Austin and Yul Edochie. He said Judy Austin and village girl wey never tear eye. Her eyes never open. She just dey claim to be I belong. Instead of her to take time, follow people wey dey tear eye, wey dey open eye, so that she go feel blend to the system. But she feel say she don already know. Be that she don comot for inside village, come meet one man, from the man just enter Nollywood. She think say she don wise. Lizzy Gold say Judy Austin and mugu. Big time mugu. He say sense no dey her head. Lizzy Gold said there was never a relationship between Judy Austin and Yul Edochie. This man is just a narcissist man when he dey find women when he wan use. He say all the things when Yul Edochie dey do to Judy Austin, Yul Edochie not try am with am one day. He say Yul Edochie not try am with am. He say that they look face now. He say Yul Edochie not try am with am. He say that man use am. He say that use where the man use am na dey pain am now. Because during the time when Yul Edochie still dey chop his wife money, when Judy Austin for use money to do better thing, Judy Austin dey use money till they buy aloko shoe, till they buy okrika shoe, they buy okrika bag, till say she dey rain. Her parents dey use am dey buy goats every week. They kill goats, they share, give family, they eat. Now when money no dey come again, she dey regret her life. They find person wey won't blame. Lizzy Gold say she was used because Yul Edochie never loved her. Yul Edochie confirmed in her that he never loved Judy Austin. Say he no love her. He said they never even planned to end up like this. It was a backyard relationship, hide and seek. Now when that belle come, Judy Austin dey threaten her. He was forced to stay with her. He said, so why ain't they destroy Judy Austin relationship? Say wetin concern her. He said Judy Austin go and work, lazy woman. He said Yul Edochie, the time wey they collect his wife money, they give Judy Austin. He said the man no dey feel am there because money wey person no work, if he dey spend that, dey sweet am. But since when this man don dey spend his hard-earned money, if he work for Nollywood industry, the money wey they pay am, he see am say the first month, the second month, all money they go for feeding, school fees, taking care of children. This man can't dey exhausted. He can't dey nervous. This man was trying to tell Judy Austin, say, find something doing. Judy Austin go say children too much. He go do this one before they dark. He don't tire. Odogu, you know, fit understand. Now so they tell him. You know, say all those things where they talk, the man don't fed up. Money not dey like that again. This man have to shook head enter outside. He said when Yul Edochie dey house, he said this man have nothing. She was carrying this man along, not because she really want to do it for him, but because Yul Edochie na put am for where he dey today. When everybody did not believe in her, that she can be who she is today, Yul Edochie saw her and said, you will become something, I will train you. He said, now be the feeding where they feed Yul Edochie for years. But he can see and say these people won't start to commit nonsensibility. Now she pursue Yul Edochie throw it for her side. I say, make I help you. And here with the knack. Now today you start to the knack. Me and you, the first time we see, we were knacking. We were doing Nakademos. So it's not a new thing. Even before Judy Austin, because they say carry one belle won't become wife, when she is not even a wife, claiming to be a wife. He said even before then, she and he and Yul Edochie, they don't even they date themselves. From I go help you to dating. So, but it was just backyard runs. Lizzy God say she won't settle down. A person like Yul Edochie, now she won't settle down with. Make they all look at her too. She be like person who won't settle down with Yul Edochie. Hey, my people. Destiny Etiko don't open Lizzy God eye. Don't open Lizzy God eye. Lizzy God don dey see the other side of Yul Edochie. E be like say this man use charm on Lizzy God. Because the way Lizzy God come take dey fall for Yul Edochie, it was strange. Destiny Etiko don open her eye. That's why you need to get good friend around you. Na Destiny Etiko na save Lizzy God. This one wey she dey talk so, she no dey talk am last month. She dey carry this man dey go everywhere, dey hold him hand. E be like say e don dey fall. The way they look Yul Edochie, be like person wey dey use something till they hold women. Remember the same thing I do with May Edochie. May Edochie was under their bondage for years. That same bondage now be like say they won't put Lizzy God. Now Destiny Etiko now call save Lizzy God. Lizzy God say God forbid he not get wetin they use this man do. Near he domot again. Make he go meet he jail me two of the kilometers they go. My people, one dash shall never end. Oh, hey. Lizzy God say Lizzy God say make Judy Austin go work. He say if he start work today, they take care of herself well. He say Yul Edochie will go back to her. He say Yul Edochie is fed up. He said number one, Judy Austin not the bath well. She knows sabi bath. She is not neat. She's a dirty woman. Judy Austin when I see for there, they say she's a very dirty woman. She is not neat. Number two, she's not hardworking. See the buba business way they do. Now, not say buba business not get. She cannot even sell. She cannot even sell buba business. If they tell Yul Edochie say online no work, make Yul Edochie come open store for her. Now Yul Edochie tell her say the online always be free. You know they pay for store. You know fit sell. Now store you want for sell. Boutique where you open for Enugu now so boutique close. Scatter. You no see profit. You no see capital. You no see profit. My people, wonder shall never end. Lizzy God don't back. It don't blast Judy Austin back. So make Judy Austin remove her name from her mouth. She no want hear her name from Judy Austin mouth again. Hey, my lovely fans, it is really happening. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless.